Dear students, today let us see the topic, the articles. A, an, and the are called the articles. There are two types. There are the definite article and the indefinite article. The definite article, the is used before a particular thing. It is used before the singular and plural countable or uncountable nouns. For example, here is the dog, the animals, and so on. Uses of the definite articles before a particular person or thing. The book is mine, we saw the baby, and so on. Before the geographical features like oceans, rivers, mountains, and so on. For example, the Atlantic Ocean, the sun, the south, and so on. Before the names of certain well-known books such as the Bible, the Ramayana. Before the well-known books, we have to use the article, the before an adjective in the superlative degree. For example, Gandhiji is the greatest leader. Here the superlative degree is greatest. Before the superlative degree, we have to use the article the. Before the ordinal numbers, third, first, second, and so on. Before the ordinal numbers, we have to use the article the. Before the musical instruments, guitar, piano, and so on. Before the musical instruments, you have to use the article the. When we talk about a particular thing for the first time, we can use the article A. When we use it for the second time, the article the should be used. For example, I heard a crying noise of a baby. The baby is lying in a dustbin. Before the means of transport, for example, bus, the bus, bike, the bike, and so on. Before the names of occupations, for example, the English teacher. Before the unique places and famous monuments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort. அதற்கு முன்னால the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Before the institution and important places. For example, medical college, the medical college, and so on. Before a particular place, when we don't use them for the basic purpose, but the definite article the should not be used when we use them for the basic purpose. For example, students go to St. Mary's School to study. Next, Sita went to KR market to buy vegetables, and so on. Before the names of the United Nations, for example, UK, the UK, USA, the USA. The definite article the should not be used before the proper noun. The definite article the should not be used before the proper noun. For example, names of the persons, Peter, Vignesh. Names of the countries, India. Names of the meals, and so on. When the proper noun acts as a common noun, article the is used. For example, Coimbatore is the Manchester of Tamil Nadu. If the definite article the is used in front of a language, it denotes that the people, those who speak such language, before the particular language speaking people, article the is used. For example, the English, they are the English speaking people, and so on. If the definite article the is to be used before an adjective, adverb, such group of words turns as a noun. For example, before the adjectives, the poor, the good, we have to use the article the. The indefinite articles a and an are general determiner. They do not refer to a particular person or thing. They are known as general determiner. For example, a dog. It refers to any dog. Next one is an is used before a singular countable noun or the adjective which associated with a noun. It begins with a vowel sound. Here it is an ant. And A is a vowel. So before the word ant, the article an is used. The second example, he is an honest man. Here H is silent. The second letter is say vowel. Vowel. So the before the word honest, the article an is used. The next one is the indefinite article a is to be used in front of a singular countable noun or the adjective which associated with a noun. It begins with a consonant sound. What do you mean by consonant? Which are the consonant sounds? There are 26 alphabets are there. Adila 5 are vowels and the remaining letters are consonants. Here, for example, E is a union leader. Here, U is a vowel, but U is pronounced as U. U is a consonant sound. So, here A is used. In the second example, Rama is a good boy. Here, G is a consonant. So, A is used here. Thank you.
I need my soul to scream out.